and we have these beautiful blueberries. So let's make ourselves a Parve blueberry bundt cake. Get started right here with our mixer, and we are going to add in 4 eggs to our mixer and 1.5 cups of sugar. And we're going to let this blend together so it gets nice and creamy. And sugar are blended. Now we're going to be adding in 1/2 cup of orange juice and 3/4 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, in the flour and baking powder right into our mixture. We're going to let that blend up together. We have to prep our bundt pan, coat it with a nice coating on all sides so that it will pop out of your bundt pan nice and easy. We have a really nice creamy mixture, and we are going to pour half of the mixture into our bundt pan. Fill that halfway. And then we are going to take our blueberries, and we're going to sprinkle the blueberries into the bundt pan. Give it a nice coating so it's half filled with our cake, and then the other half is our blueberries. Just a few to put on the outside. So this is what your bundt will look like. And now take the other half of your mixture and pour it right on top. Our bundt is all ready to go into the oven. Beautiful. And we're going to place it into the oven, middle rack, 350 degrees for 1 hour. Okay, so while our cake is cooking, we are going to make a little bit of a glaze to go on it. So I am taking some blueberries, about, 15, 20 little blueberries, and I'm going to muddle it in my little muddler. So now that our blueberries we've mashed them up, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of sugar and 5 teaspoons of water into our heated pan. A dash of vanilla and a tiny dash of salt. And we're going to mix this up. And I am heating up my pan, adding in those nice muddled blueberries. Give it a nice mix. Take our nice, beautiful blueberry glaze. Pour that into our nice little bowl. Let that cool. Our blueberry bundt cake is finished. It has baked for 1 hour at 350 degrees. It is now going to cool on our cooling rack for about 10 to 15 minutes before we flip it and decorate. A beautiful bundt cake all ready to be brought over to our friends for a wonderful Shabbos lunch, sprinkling a little bit of powdered sugar on top. And because we're serving this on Saturday, we are going to be bringing over the blueberry sauce. Will be brought over, and it will be spooned on top. So hope you enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen Blueberry Bundt Cake.